The next up in my swag box were these babies, and I was so excited because this is their City Lips line. It has hyaluronic acid in it, which is all the rage. I just love this color. I can never find a nude that works for me. This is their pink top, and it went on lightweight, and it didn't go on too dry for a matte lip product, and it supposedly has a lot of staying power. I actually filmed a video before this, and I ate, and it still stayed on. And when you team it up with their lip plumping gloss, and this color is pink nude, I just got the most perfect lip combination.